we're going to go and have a look, Carl. See that big grey one over there? It looks like a battleship. Can you see it through the flags?
Yes.
That's a Numarine. We're going to go and have a look at that.
Yep.
You up for that, son?
I am.
Let's go. Morning, Chris.
Good morning to you.
Morning. No swearing, you are on camera.
I'm live.
You're live. Right, we're going to go and look at the Numarine. Don't recognise this man, don't you? So which one is this, Chris? 37 XP. Okay. God, look at the size of that garage. We'll just do it. Just show us the highlights, because obviously it's a massive boat, isn't it? Should we start with the fly or the saloon? As you wish. Right, let's do this. Let's do the fly, Carl. Oh my God, it's massive. Don't spoil it, Carl. Don't spoil it. Don't, Carl. Leave that till last. Oh, wait a sec. It's 3 decks. Got a rib outside your bedroom. You ever seen that before, son? Jet skis. God, it looks like our boatyard. So much stuff. So I assume this is the master cabin, but I might be wrong. 37 metres. God. There's bedrooms everywhere. Oh, they're cupboards. And it's got the owner's stuff in it, so. Bathroom. Very trendy. Look at that bath. How much is the 37 XP, Chris? 17.5 million euros. Yeah. Is this the master?
This is main deck master.
Main deck master. What's on the next level?
Saloon goes through to what could be a main deck master.
Right.
Another one, but it's actually a children's playroom.
Well, this one. God, we're nearly in the clouds, Carl. Hot tub. God, this is big. This is like a hotel on the sea. Actually, look, Carl, we've got a really good view of the Fairline stand. Our boats look really small. Don't they look really small? Should you shout out to, who's over there?
John's with a customer.
John's with a customer, yeah. Squadron looks nice. This is a nice boat. Is it a trawler style? So is it Explorer? So is it like 14 knots?
Max 14.
Max 14, yeah.
Cruise 10.
Cruise 10.
6,000 nautical mile range.
6,000 nautical miles. And the engines?
MANs.
Yeah.
800s or 900s.
8 or 900. So small engines because you don't need to go fast. Therefore, it does a lot of mile range.
Correct.
This is an absolute massive area.
Accommodation for 12. You've actually got 8 cabins.
8 cabins.
8 usable cabins, but it's sort of 6 plus 2.
An accommodation for 12 people.
Yes.
God.
Up to 8 crew.
Can we see the galley?
Yeah, we'll go through.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay, so let's just go through the highlights. 37 metres, steel hull. We've got twin 800 or 900 diesels. We've got a 6,000 nautical mile range. We've got 14 knots. We've got up to 6 crew. We've got 6 cabins plus 2. So we can sleep up to 12 people. Yeah. So it's one hell of a boat. So this is the saloon. So we'll quickly walk through, because we're not doing a full tour, we're just doing a quick walk through. But you can see how big she is. There's the dining room table, which is beautiful. And then that goes up to the bridge, which we'll go up to in a minute. That goes down to the bedrooms, which we'll go down to in a minute. This is a gym. It's only a little gym, but it's nice. Not many boats have gyms, do they, Carl? This could be an owner's stateroom, but it's the children's playroom, which is quite nice. We're going to keep walking because this boat is huge. Day head there, which is really nice. Let's go and see the cabins. And I've got a little trick to show you under the floor down here, because this boat's got its own railway system. And you think I'm mad, but I'm not. So there's one of the cabins with a cot. We've got all these bedrooms, which are all beautiful with en suites, of course. More cabins down here. And you can have a look at that en suite there, Carl. And then I'm going to show you the railway system. It's all very nice, beautifully done, lovely finishes. But because you've got this steel hull, if we open up this hatch here, you always need places to put provisions and suitcases and stuff. So, if you look down here, you can see the steel hull, and there's a rail there with a trolley, and the crew can put suitcases and move items up and down the whole length of the hull, which is 37 metres long. So it's really, really clever. I'm not going to show you the crew cabins because it's lovely. It's got the galley and all the washing machines, 6 washing machines, of course. But the bridge is really special. Come have a look. So we've got Numarine plotters, all the thrusters. We've got wing controls on either side, port and starboard. You can see the bow out there, it's beautiful, and our fairline stand. And then for the committed captain, you've got his bed right behind the helm. So he hasn't got to go too far to work in the morning, has he? What do you reckon?
Yeah, let's order one.
Should we get one?
Yeah.
Where are we going to put this? It's going to take up half.
Take out all the pontoons in the morning.
Anyway, thanks very much to Chris, who's at Numarine, for the tour today.
Very welcome.
And we better go back and start selling some boats because the customers are starting to arrive, son. So let's go. We're now up to the Pearl stand. So you've got the new Pearl 63, which, unless they tell me different, is a Pearl 62 with a 63 badge on it. But they'll tell me it's something different. How you doing, all right? Is the Pearl 62 a 62 with a 63 badge on it?
No, this is on video.
So, yeah, so that's confirmed then.